Hello. This week in my Mini Recollections planner, I am going to use this sampler by Three Tiny Bows. It is the sampler she had for the Just Planner sale that she is part of. I do PR for all these shops, so links and codes will be below. And here I'm using part of the Polka Dot Planner's functional stickers and the Girlie Quote stickers from the Polka Dot Planner. And more of that same kit. I'm using the numbers. And then from J&J Sticker Co., I've got a couple samplers and some leftovers of her kit too. And then from the Twin Mermaids, I did have one of their Raspberry Weekend banners. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'll start by putting in my numbers. Just double check last week's, yeah. So this one I was able to use all numbers for every day. February only has 28 days, and then it's March. This year is flying. I did draw in my little tracker that I use for my social media. Because that's how I like to keep track of things. Now a lot of these right here, because they are for the full week, I cut them in half so they'd be smaller and fit in my pages. But what I'm going to do to cover up the letters is just use one of these little banners, and then that'll cover up the Monday through Friday and add a little bit more color. So I just thought I'd randomly put these in just to kind of spice up the color some. Oops. So I'm just kind of going with pinks and purples for this kit. Oops, I bent the corner of that one. Alrighty. We do have a few of the lighter ones left. And when I get to the ones that only have the 3, we'll just trim them a little bit shorter. That way it adds a little color and I can mark off what I'm doing. And I like finding ways to use up the leftover stickers, because a lot of the kits come with a ton of stickers, and I don't use all of them. I mean, I'm sure there's people that do. I just personally don't, so I just like to make sure I have extras. And just to trim that off and make it a little shorter, I'll just cut a fairly straight line right across. And I'll put this right here, because I don't write as much on the weekends. And I think that adds a little color. And then I'll put my little weekend banner right here. So that's what I got so far. I will use these 2 trackers here with the lovely little Instagram. I'll put on one. And I'll use the red YouTube from here. I think daylight savings time might start next weekend. So I'll put these up at the top. And I just pick a random day during the week. I'll look and see. I just track my followers with these. So I just pick a random day and then I'll write the number in. Do love the glitter coffee cups. Oops, that one's not quite enough room there for that little heart to hang off. So we'll put it right here. There we go. And just to decorate this up a bit, I'll add these little hearts right down here. Let's color to that. Alright. One of the videos I have to post is my Happy Mail video, so I will post it Wednesday. So I'll put that one there. And just to mark the changing of the month, I'll put this cute little rainbow down here on Thursday. And I am so ready for spring. Because now the Girlie Quote that I want to use on this layout is life begins at the end of your comfort zone. I'll put that one there along with this pretty little purple butterfly that's wanting to peel up both layers. There we go. There's those, and then we'll add more decoration. So Sunday is always my planning day. So we'll add it in a little pencil. Oops, the whole thing came out. There, I got the backing off. Put the little pencil there by the planner. And Friday is usually my lazy day. I don't usually do much on Fridays as far as social media planning, so use the lazy day there. And I do love the little narwhal with the rainbow. A couple pretty florals in. I try to change up what I do every week. Some of it's the same, because there's certain things I marked and I just have them in like my little tracker thing I make, but it's just simple and I know it's there to keep track of everything. A couple little florals there. And this cute little kitty drinking coffee. Adorable. Just so you can see it. And the light's shining on it so bright, I don't know. There you go. Now you can see it. Love it. I'll put that on my Saturday. The cat don't necessarily drink coffee, but I do. And get this cute little sloth eating pizza, and we'll put her on there for Tuesday. And the little kitty with the tutu and a crown we'll put down here. I'm so ready for spring. And we'll use the to-do right on top of my list. And then the little paper clip on the other side, right at the top of the list. Little teapot. And just some more Saturday me time things, so I'll put a little nail polish there. I haven't done my nails in a few weeks because I was just waiting on them to grow out because I felt like painting them all the time. They were kind of looking like they were pretty dry and stuff. So I thought maybe I needed to let them breathe a little bit. Alright. Sunday definitely requires a nice fancy coffee drink. So I think that leaves me plenty of room to mark everything I need to mark. Oh, and I forgot to tell you who my clips are from. This is my name clip from She Is Crafty. And then this cute little kitty cat with the pink, I thought she looked cute with this, is by Run With Craft Scissors, and they're both glittery. So this is my mini happy planner spread, mini recollections planner for the week of February 26th through March 4th. And I think we'll call that complete. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. All the codes and everything will be below. Thanks for watching. Bye.